I don't care whatsoever pro firm you are trading with, but there are two main reasons you guys keep failing your pro firm's account. You guys keep failing to get funded, which is either the daily drawdown or the overall drawdown. Full stop, period. Before you even get to the funded stage where you start talking about the rules, you start talking about this, the main reason why you guys are not able to get funded is because of either the daily drawdown or the overall drawdown. And since my channel, I'm here because of you guys, and my channel has been rated as one of the fastest growing YouTube channel in the niche of Forex trading, I normally listen to what you guys say. And you can see someone is requesting that I should be able to explain in detail the daily and overall drawdown when it comes to Forex pro firms and how you can avoid breaching any of these rules. So let's get into the video. If you can see on my computer, I'm just going to be using one of the most popular pro firms out there, fastest growing pro firm known as Lionheart Funding Program. And here, I just purchased a 400K, that's it, $400,000 pro firm account, because in Lionheart Funding Program, you can purchase from $50, from $5,000 right up to $400,000. So that is it, 400,000 standing on our screen. So how do we trade this account to funded without breaching either the daily drawdown? You can see down here we have daily drawdown and max drawdown. All right, max target is just how much you need to make to pass the challenge. So how can we pass this challenge without breaching these two drawdowns? So before we even go on how to pass the challenge without breaching the drawdowns, let me take a moment to explain both drawdowns to you guys. We're going to log into this MT5 account, because this is an MT5 account. We're actually going to log in, place a trade, so that as soon as the metrics here starts ticking or start calculating us, we'll be able to easily see the data. All right, so let's quickly log into this account. I'm just going to easily pick my phone so that we can log into the account together and place a trade. Okay, so my phone is recording as we speak, and anytime you purchase an account from Lionheart Funding Program, you guys should also just use this advantage to learn how to quickly log into any of your trading accounts. Anytime you purchase your pro firm accounts, you receive an email that looks like this. All right, so on that email, you just have the platform is obviously MetaTrader 5. Then you have your login number, master password. So your master password is obviously okay, just a minute, guys. Okay. So your master password is obviously the password you're going to use to log into MetaTrader 5. And let's just say you want someone to be able to see the trades you are taking. So the password you're going to share with that person is known as the investor password. So let's just copy the account number and log into this account. We go into MetaTrader 5. You can see we have the platform right here. So you just search. The instructions are just there. Just go to MetaTrader 5. Go under savers and just search this particular broker, Ysens Global Demo, and then you put the account number. That's our account number. Password, we're just going to quickly go here and copy our master password. That's it. Let's make sure we copy everything. We go back here and boom, sign in. You guys ready? Let's see. Boom, that's $400,000 on our screen. Let's quickly go now and see if we can open a trade, right? Our charts are there. Let's go here, and I just want to add gold. So gold should be under spot meters. We go under spot meters. XAU USD is right here. So I've added gold, and if I can go back here, gold is right here. I go on chart. I just want to quickly do my analysis and place my trade for you guys to see. So that's my analysis. I can already confirm the market is in an uptrend. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame. Market is still in an uptrend on the 5-minute time frame. Let's see, 15-minute. Still in an uptrend, but I'm seeing something. I'm seeing a quick retracement, like seeing something like this. I'm expecting to see something like this where the market pull back here and continue going up. So we're going to buy right here, but we're going to be very, very cautious of this area right here. We're going to be very cautious of this area right here. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to be buying right now. So this is a 400K pro firm account. All right, I'm going to knock my lot. This is $400,000. So I'm going to put 5 lot size and just click on buy, confirm my one-click trading, click on buy. I think should be there. That is it. That's That's it up there. This is a 500k account, a 400k account. I can afford to open a 10 lot size. So that is it. We actually have 2 trades up and running. And another thing I wanted to also point out is Lionheart Funding Program is having 0 commission. So you have to keep your profit. We're not charging you for commissions and all of that. Remember, for most pro firms or for most brokers, normally our balance would have reduced. Can you see this? Our balance would have reduced in the sense that anytime you press buy or sell on your computer, they cut you a hidden commission without you even knowing. So the only thing you pay in Lionheart Funding Program is the industrial spreads, which are very, very small. Full stop. We don't charge you for commission, meaning you won't see. Most of you guys who scalp, you must have noticed this, where you're opening trades and you see your account balance keep dropping. It's because they are charging you commissions without you even knowing. So that is it. We don't charge any commission. That's why you can see your balance is still the same. Your equity is already growing. We are already in profit. So we are in profit of almost about $500 already. Now we have some data we can be able to use. Let's go back now, and I'm just going to leave this one as it is. So let me just stop recording now. And then we're going to quickly go on our trading platform. Let's reload so that you guys can actually see the data is going to be here. Can you see? Total profit of the day. We have one of the best interface you can think of. One of the best. So total profit of the day, that is it, $430. The account is active. Win rate is 100%. The lot. Remember, we opened 2 trades with lot size of 5 each. So that's why you can see the lot size 10. As soon as the days start going, you see this will start increasing. You actually see there will be a chart here that will be tracking and going. But for now, we'll just leave it for what it is. Let's come down here. You can see we are in big profit. That's why you can see our equity is going upward. And you can see, you can just take a minute, enjoy your data and everything. Now, you can see profit target is showing us 430 out of 32,000. Remember, which challenge are we using? For us to be able to easily understand this, let me go to Lionheart Funding Program and I'll show you guys the challenge we purchased. You can easily see the challenge right here. Let me just go here. Which challenge was this? So if you click here, this one ends with 15. So this is 400k alpha 2-step challenge. You can see 400k alpha 2-step challenge. So let's go under the alpha challenge so that you guys can understand what is the alpha challenge. Alpha challenge on the main website is right here. So it says this challenge is our standard 2-step challenge with phase 1 target of 8%. So 8% of 400k, that's why you are seeing the $32,000. So you need to make 32,000, you need to make 8% of phase 1 and phase 2 5%. Daily drawdown is 5% and overall drawdown is 10%. The leverage is 1:100. News trading is not allowed. Or challenge, the news trading is only allowed in the route challenge. So make sure you select the right challenge. Profit split is 9:10. So what I wanted us to actually see here is what? Daily drawdown and overall drawdown. Our daily drawdown is 5%, our overall drawdown is 10%, and our profit target is 8%. That's all we needed to see. Even if you just scroll down here, go on the alpha challenge, you can see that's the alpha challenge. If I click on 400,000, you can see those are the same. Profit target is 8% on phase 1, 5% on phase 2. Funded is unlimited. Daily drawdown 5%, overall drawdown, that is it, and it's balance-based drawdown. So let's go back to our dashboard. Now that we know, let's come down here and you can see, that's why you can see this line is already ticking and going. As soon as we get to 32,000, boom, we're going to pass phase 1. Now, daily drawdown, let's just assume we were in a loss, right? If we're in a loss, remember the daily drawdown, what does it say? We shouldn't lose more than 5% of our account. What is 5% of our account? 5% of $400,000 is $20,000. All right, 5% of $400,000 is 20,000. Meaning that rule says within a day, even if you are knocking better lots or you are over risking, don't lose more than $20,000 of your account. It's as easy as that. Don't lose more than $20,000 of your account. So if you start losing, you see this bar will start going up until when it gets around here, I'll advise you close all your trades for that day, because normally at 11 p.m. GMT or at 11 p.m. UTC, the time used to reset. So it will reset and this bar will disappear so that you can start a new day. All right. So let's do some math. Let's just say for today Monday, let me just reload this. Maybe we are in a loss so that we can actually see. Let me just reload this. Let me reload it again. Okay, we are still in profit. We are still in profit of, okay, 1,000 something. Let's just reload and see. It's going to be showing here. We are still in heavy profit. So let's just go on trade history. Okay, these are all our open trade. We're just waiting for them to load. And very soon it's going to be showing here. So we are still in profit as we speak of almost about 1,000 something. It might just be a little latency, but it's going to show here. But let's just assume for this, today's Wednesday, we ended the day with minus $18,000. Meaning trading didn't go our way for that particular day, and we ended the day with minus $18,000. So the line is going to be standing around here, and max drawdown is also going to be standing somewhere here because max drawdown is 10%. So overall, whether you're going to be trading on this account for the next 30 days, don't lose up to 10% of your account. Don't lose more than 40% or more than $40,000 of your account. So that $18,000 is going to be standing here and also standing here. Now, at almost about 11 p.m. UTC or GMT, the time is going to reset and that daily drawdown is going to disappear because that's now, it's a new day. That's why they say the time is going to reset. It's now a new day, so the daily drawdown is going to reset again and give you a fresh 5% again to trade for that day. But remember, you already lost $18,000 of your account, so it's still going to be standing. It's still going to be standing on your maximum loss. It's still going to be standing on your overall loss, unless you make profits to counteract that. Does it make sense? So if the next day you come, this one is already standing on minus $18,000. The next day, the daily drawdown is going to be reset. You come here and then you make plus $20,000. What will happen? Then that plus $20,000 is going to reset your max drawdown. So your max drawdown now is going to be reset because you lose $18,000 here and here you've made $20,000. So this one is going to be reset. What if the following day you came and instead of making $20,000, you lose again $10,000? Your daily drawdown is going to be standing here, and that daily drawdown is going to be added to your max drawdown. So your max drawdown at that point in time is going to be standing on $18,000 plus $10,000. So your max drawdown is going to be standing at that point on minus $28,000. Remember, minus $28,000, don't lose more than $40,000 or more than 10% of your account. So the bar is going to be standing somewhere here. At 11 p.m. UTC or GMT, the time is going to reset again and you have a fresh daily drawdown, but your max drawdown is still going to be standing there waiting for what you're going to make for this particular day. If you come this day and God willingly, you made $30,000. Remember, you were down with minus $18,000 on your max overall. So that $30,000 is going to counteract this. What if you even come the next day and you make, let's just say, $5,000? You were down here by minus $28,000. That $5,000 is going to be subtracted from this. So you only be here by minus $23,000. So anytime you're making profit here, it will be reduced from your drawdown. All right. Unless you just keep losing your drawdown, your max drawdown will just keep increasing until when it hits 10% or when it hits $40,000, which is 10% of which is 10% of $400,000, you're going to lose this particular account. All right, until when it hits this particular level, that's it, you lost the account. But before you get to the level where you lost the account, you need to be able to understand what is the daily drawdown and the max drawdown. The max drawdown just accumulate whatsoever you are losing, you're floating, whatsoever you're losing or gaining up here. Why? The daily drawdown just resets based on how much you made or lose for that particular day. So I don't know if it's very, very clear. All right. If you don't understand anything, let me know in the comment section. I don't mind taking time again to explain this, but it's just as simple as this. 5%. And anytime you're buying a challenge, I'm just going to load another challenge to show you guys. This is the funded. I'm going to go here, funded one-step challenge. So this is a funded one-step challenge, meaning the drawdown here, they are different. The drawdowns are different. If we go on to the one-step challenge, let's go here. The one-step challenge is known as the Pride challenge, right? So let's click on the Pride challenge, go on 100K, and you can see the daily drawdowns are different. So anytime you are purchasing a prop firm, master the first thing you need to master, daily and overall drawdowns. That's it. Daily and overall drawdowns. So our daily drawdown here, you can see instead of 5%, since this is a one-step challenge, the daily drawdown is 3%. Meaning, since I'm having a 100K prop firm account, at any point in time, I shouldn't lose more than 3% of my account. You see, so at that point in time, even if I'm using a bot and I'm setting the daily drawdown, I can set my daily drawdown on, let's say, 2.5%. Meaning if I lost 2.5% of my account for that day, I'm going to stop so that I don't lose up to 3%. Because if I lost up to 3% or more than 3%, I'm going to lose that account and I'll need to buy a new one again. Then overall drawdown is 6%, meaning if I come today and I lose 2%, overall drawdown is going to record me as 2%. If I come the next day and I lose 1.5%, it's going to add to that 2%, and the total now that I'm down is going to be minus 3.5%. So it's just going to be tracking. If I come the next day and then I make 4% of my account, it's going to now cover that loss, and I'll then be instead plus 0.5%. So the first thing you check anytime you're buying any challenge is the drawdown challenges. So if you want, just talking about Lionheart funding program, you can see they have different challenges. All right, the alpha challenge is just the standard two-step challenge, where at least on the alpha challenge phase 1, at least you have a lot of room to play around. So the daily targets are high, 5% of your account, and the profit targets are very, very tight. So you just make 8% and you pass, as opposed to 99% of pro firms out there where you need to actually make 10% before you even pass phase 1. But with Lionheart funding program, phase 1 is 8%. You've already passed phase 2, 5%. That's why it's very, very easy. Many people are passing this one a lot. If you go down to the route challenge, this one is mostly for people who trade with robots and for EAs. So we have the limits here a little bit tight so that we control the liquidity and the fees we are using to trade. So that's why the daily drawdown here is 4%. And max drawdown is still on 10%, but you need to make 10% profit target. One step is just, this one is just one step. You just pass step 1 and you are already funded. Just our standard one step, and those are the drawdowns. And then even the 3 steps, we have even the 3 steps where you, step 1 you make 6%, step 2 you make 5%, step 3 you make 4% of your account. Daily drawdown is all on 4% and overall drawdown is on 8%. So always understand the drawdown on any challenge you are buying. That will help you to be able to know how to easily control your risks. Now, let's go back here on the challenge we're talking about. Let's go back to our 400K, and then on our 400K, we'll see our equity. Let's just quickly reload this. All right, let's quickly reload this, and you can see this is our active 400K right here. It's going to be syncing. The synchronization is going to be syncing with this one very soon. But you can go here, just take time. You can go on your trade history, profit share, KYC. You can even apply for affiliate. We have one of the best and attractive affiliate program. Lionheart funding program is having one of the best and the most attractive affiliate program. So you just click there, and that is it. You apply for the affiliate program, and once you hit a minimum of $100, you can request for your affiliate payment the same day. So this is an opportunity for you guys to make money without even trading. Just go to Lionheart funding program. It's easy. Click on affiliate and sign up. It's just 2 steps. You get your affiliate link, you promote to people, you can apply today and get a payout today. That's it. Spread the news. We are very, very proud of the product. Spread the news and earn as you go. Or if you are already trading with Lionheart, just come here, click on affiliate portal, and you'll be able to sign up for the affiliate. Anyway, our main focus today is on daily and overall drawdown. Now, how do you prevent yourself from breaching any of these rules? I'm going to come here and I'm going to use a tool. I'm just going to show you on a robot. All right, I'm going to show you on a robot how we were even able to incorporate that in a robot. And then I'll also be able to tell you how you can do that manually. Very, very easy. Very, very easy. So we have Paytrex Pro here, and let's just assume we want to trade with Paytrex Pro, right? And we drag and drop Paytrex Pro on our computer. Let's just go to no. We already have the bot on a couple of pairs here. Good. So we have Paytrex Pro here, and if we drag and drop Paytrex Pro, on the parameters section, you can see something we have here, which is, let me just show you guys this. You can see something we have here, which is known as max daily drawdown. All right. So for this account, I was actually trading with the alpha challenge. So for the alpha challenge, my daily drawdown is on what? It's on 5%. That's why I'll come here. You can see I put 4.6%, and I turn this from false to true. All right. What is it going to do? The robot is going to, as I'm trading on that account, the robot is going to kiss many people just even buy Paytrex Pro and they use it for risk management. They are trading whatsoever account, but they just use it for the risk management purpose. Because here you come here, you turn it on, the robot is just going to be monitoring the trades you are taking on your account. And whether you like it or not, if you already hit 4.6% or any percent you put here, the robot will stop you for that particular day. This robot will stop trading automatically. No matter what you do, you won't be able to trade on that account again until the next day. That's why we have this feature here where it says pause EA until you start manually. So you just come here, you switch this on, continue next day. So you can either tell the robot to just stop trading completely until you come and start manually, or you can tell the robot that, okay, you can continue trading the next day. So the robot will just wait after midnight or after UTC has resetted. The next day, the robot will just continue. The robot will allow you to trade again, or the robot will just continue trading again. So you can also do it manually, where you just have it in your mind that, okay, my drawdown is 5%. If I'm losing, if I'm already down by 3% or by 4%, obviously you're going to come here and you see it right here. Let me show you guys this. Okay, let's just close this. Obviously, you're going to come here and you'll be able to see it on your drawdown. So pay attention. Just keep your eyes on this particular one, because that's the most important for that day. If you see that you are already up by minus 4%, stop trading for that day and better wait. It's better you preserve your capital to live to trade for another day than try to blow it on one trade. Does it make sense? So if you see that you've already gotten your maybe about 4%, stop for that day. Go and close all your trades on MetaTrader 5 and wait for another day. Stop pushing. Don't push to trade, because if you hit this target, you lost the entire account. Even if you've just lost 5% for that day and you still have about 5% that you can come back and try, you will still lose the account because you've already breached the daily drawdown. Even if you just click here, you can see you have a lot. The daily drawdown is dynamic based on your starting balance and equity, which is higher. You are currently enrolled, you see. So everything will still be explained here. Immediately, you just click on this sign right here. So always take time to educate yourself on this drawdown, and trust me, this will reduce the amount of accounts you guys are blowing due to ignorance when it comes to daily and overall drawdowns. These rules are there to be able to instill discipline on you. These rules are there to be able to train you to trade as a consistently profitable Forex trader. So it's not like, why not just give me the capital and just allow me to trade, bro? No. Just imagine we give you $400,000 and we don't have rules in place to guide those funds. Some people will come and in one day, they'll lose 50% of that account in one day. They'll lose 20% of that account in one day. So since we have those rules to say, okay, you can only lose 5% of that account in one day, it will keep you in check. It will keep you disciplined. So let me know in the comment section if you have any question. And as always, check the link below to be able to trade with my recommended prop firm, which is Lionheart Funding Program. You see, you can trade, you can buy even a 400K prop firm account at once. You can get up to $600,000 mark capital allocation with scaling up to $2 million. Keep 90% of your profit, and payouts are processed within 24 hours. Check the links, all the links below, to get everything that has to do with me, like my recommended brokers, Patrex Pro. I just mentioned a robot that is able to even manage this for you as a pro. So check the link below to also get Patrex Pro. Join my free Telegram community. Link is on the video description. And if you want me to mentor you one-on-one, you already know what to do. Check out Godlove University. Link on the video description. I'm going to be leaving some videos at the end of the screen that will explain more on the ecosystem of prop firm trading. Check out those videos, and I'll see you guys on those videos. Peace.